Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and I am back today with a super quick vlog that I wanted to share with you guys, especially those of you who are interested in home decor and event planning. I recently took a trip to LA to the Flower District, and I found the event decor, home decor Mecca, the capital of the world in downtown LA. I found so many amazing and beautiful things that would be great for partying and event planning. So if you're ever in Los Angeles, be sure to visit downtown LA. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. Just $6.98. Now the metallic gold cake stands, amazing. Oh my gosh, this 3-tier stand is everything. This metallic gold, oh my gosh, so on point. Let me see how much this is. It's only $99. Like, this is so freaking amazing. So amazing. These vases are gorgeous. Only $39.99. These will be so gorgeous with a huge floral centerpiece over it. Just gorgeous. Look at these. Would you look at these vessels? Look at these vessels. OMG. These vessels are everything. Look. Oh my God. Like, I need my own plane. That's what I need. I need a plane. I would so take these home with me. Only like $188. These down here are only $167. They're almost as tall as me. Like, I need you guys to see how tall these are. Like, just imagine a big floral arrangement. Like, oh my goodness. The king and queen to the throne. How gorgeous is this orb? Oh my goodness. And it's only $144 in the matching pieces. I love the fact that these are mirrored. Like, this is mirrored. I can see me. I can see me in this. So beautiful. Everything you need, like everything you need. This is so heavy I can't even pick it up. This is like super heavy. I can get this little one. It's just like a square cake stand, and it's only $62. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I need this store in Alabama. Beautiful candlesticks. Some smaller vessels. These would be great for the smaller centerpieces. Just, oh, amazing on so many levels. All right, let's see. These acrylic columns are everything. These are everything. Everything. Here's some terranium pieces you can hang from the florals. They're plastic, so you don't have to worry about them breaking. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at these. Like, can't you imagine these going down the aisle, like at a wedding? Going down an aisle with like huge floral centerpieces on them, and it doesn't matter, like you can use them for gold, for silver, for any color, because they're acrylic, so they'll blend with anything. They take the place of the old school columns like these, but these columns are actually fabulous. The gold, the silver one over there, real fabulous. These are only $169. $169.
You need the parsley?
Yeah. Okay. Now, makeup artists do a diva ring, but this is a diva ring like next level. Like next level diva ring. Oh my gosh. That is so amazing. This is just too much amazing stuff in one place. Look at that. This is only $160. Will you look at that? $160. Tamara, can you imagine how turned a wedding would be with these on the table?
Oh yeah, you paying big money if they got them on your table.
Oh man, next level. So I hope you guys enjoyed the shop with me vlog. I certainly enjoyed getting just a little bit of footage for you guys. I went to a dozen stores that had amazing items, but I did want to take the opportunity to stop and smell the roses and spend time with my family. And a lot of times when you're vlogging and taking selfies, it takes away from the moment. And so I wanted to just turn the camera off and just really enjoy myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this brief look into my day and my trip. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I've had so many things going on, but I promise you, once I get back on track, I am going to deliver. You guys are going to really enjoy the content that I have coming. It is so much content. So thank you guys so much for all of your support. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.